Fast Eddie here at EAA Radio. In the studio with me today from Portacool, we have Ben Wolf. Hi, Ben.
Eddie, how you doing this afternoon?
Having a whole lot of fun here. Now, Portacool, are you the people that make those great cooling machines that we have in the exhibition halls?
Eddie, that's us. You're seeing a lot of us this week, and we're glad to be here and look forward to keeping everybody nice and cool throughout the week.
Well, I'm very curious now because I know that air conditioners take a lot of plumbing and power and all kinds of requirements, but I see these units of yours, they're stand alone. How are you guys making the cool air come out of these things?
Well, Eddie, it's a very practical solution, as we say, portable, powerful, and practical. And basically, we just use water as the cooling mechanism. Unlike traditional air conditioning where you have, Freon and other types of refrigerants and chemicals, ours uses water as the basis of cooling. So it's a very simple and very cost-effective means of cooling areas.
And how does this work?
Evaporation. It's a very simple process. Basically, what we're doing is we're taking the water and changing it into a vapor state. I know that sounds complex, but at the end of the day, we're taking water and blowing out cold air.
Sounds good to me. Well, my teachers always told me that evaporation is a cooling process. So when you're evaporating the water into the air and it cools it off. That's great. How much water are you using to do this?
Eddie, it depends on which size product you have. All of them are scaled proportionately to the size, of the unit. But if you think about evaporation, it's a lot like getting out of a pool. You get out of a swimming pool and you've got a cool or a breeze come by and you feel that cooling sensation. That's evaporation. Now, we're doing a lot more of it in a tighter space, and we're doing it with a lot more technology. But in essence, it's the same feeling. It's that same sensation that you get, and we've been able to put it in a box, put some wheels on it, and bring it closer to where you need it.
What's the smallest unit that you make?
We start off with what we call our Cyclone 2000. It does around 2,000 CFM, or cubic feet per minute, which is just a measurement of the space in which it would cover. That product sells for $500.
Nice. And what's the biggest thing you make?
We make a monster. We have one that is what we call our 48-inch. It's a 48-inch product, fan diameter. That one cools up to 20,000 square feet. That product's going to sell for around $3,000.
That's incredible. And these things are easily movable too, right?
Absolutely. That's why we call them Portacool. They all come with casters, so you can move them around wherever you need the cooling.
And what kind of requirements do you have to make this thing work? What do you need to make it work?
Eddie, pretty simple. We're essentially a plug and play. You just add the water, as we talked about, which is the cooling element, and 110 electricity. Just standard outlets. They're very energy efficient in a sense that none of them require more than 10 amps, so just any standard wall outlet will be sufficient.
Well, that's amazing. And these things do a pretty good job of it too, right?
Well, we think so.
Well, you're out here in Wisconsin right now, and I know that they would work, an evaporative cooling machine would work pretty good in a dry climate like, say, New Mexico. But what about on the East Coast where you have a lot of humidity and everything?
Well, that's a common question. If I had $1 for every time we were asked that this morning, I think I could have left already. But the difference, Eddie, is it's the technology. We use a more scientific approach in our evaporative cooling media, which allows us to evaporate more water in a smaller space compared to the traditional swamp coolers that you're referring to. So therefore, we can actually cool in high humid areas, coastal areas, areas up here in the Midwest, and when you get down to areas like New Orleans and Houston, we can make a great impact because of the technology that we use in our cooling media.
And this is nothing like an air conditioner at all.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
There's no compressors. There's no Freon. There's no magic that goes on in there. It's just a fan, your special technique, and a little bit of water.
Eddie, you're spot on. I think we got a spot for you at the booth, so we're going to have to get you a Portacool shirt and let you go to work for us.
Hey, I like the shirts. They look good.
Well, we got some guys from the marketing department. I bet we can find one for you before we leave.
Well, thanks. I appreciate that. But, we see these things all over the place. Are you selling these worldwide?
We are. We actually have a pretty nice global footprint. We sell to over 50 countries worldwide. We actually just opened up a distribution center in Dubai for our listeners. That's there in the Middle East and UAE. So we're trying to get our products and services closer to our customers, and actually have another distribution center in another part of the world we'll be opening up in the early part of 2015.
Well, these things are actually, it's a pretty simple machine. You have a fan and you have a pump to push the water through it by any chance?
Yes, there is a pump in there, Eddie. That's what's pushing the water over the top of the cooling media, and then basically just kind of gravity feeds to the lower portion of the unit. And as we discussed earlier, you've got the warm or the ambient air coming across the cooling media, and that's where you're producing the cooling.
I imagine that they sell very well in warmer countries, drier countries, say New Mexico and stuff like that. This is a very inexpensive alternative to air conditioning.
Yes, we do a lot of work out in the arid markets, out in the desert Southwest, for example, the Arizona, the New Mexico, Southern California areas, and it's very cost effective. Just to put it in perspective, our largest unit operates over the course of 8 hours for about $1. You think about that compared to traditional air conditioning, that's just a huge savings, and that's just because it's a very energy efficient motor and pump combination. Versus using traditional air conditioning where you have pumps and compressors and a lot of other moving parts going on. So you hit the nail on the head. It's a simple solution.
So all you do is you just plug this thing into the wall, you fill it full of water, flip the switch to on, and you've got instant cool.
That's it.
Now, here's another question for you. Is it special water or is it just water right out of the tap?
Just regular tap water. Really doesn't have to be anything special. We recommend not using salt water, but just regular tap water, and you're ready to roll.
What kind of applications have you found these things in?
Well, we service a wide variety of markets and different segments, across the country. But specifically here at Oshkosh, primarily for the hangars. The common question that we continue to field is, got a hangar, working on my plane, or after I'm flying, I want to come in and just relax in my hangar, but it's too hot, it's too uncomfortable, and I need a simple solution. And I need an affordable solution, and that's where Portacool has that to offer.
It's also pretty quiet, too, isn't it?
It is. We've got a pretty nice combination in there, which allows to really, keep the noise levels very low. And, another point, that we keep kind of missing is it's portable. So if you're working on your plane, or if you're making changes in your hangar, move the unit with you. You move it to where you want to use it. And it's not fixed. So you got a lot of flexibility with our products as well. We find that a lot of people use our products just to prevent heat stress. We have to worry about the safety of our workers when we get in extreme conditions, and that's where Portacool again can become a nice solution for us.
What kind of accessories do you have for these Portacools?
We have a few things depending on, what part of the country we're in. Water treatment solutions, that's something that we offer. Some people have high mineral content. They have, different type of bacteria or algae. So, we have some water treatment solutions that we can offer. The traditional, add some louvers, here's a cover, things like that, upgrade the casters. But we really give you a pretty nice package to begin with. So I don't think we have, it's not necessarily a lot of accessories that come with it.
Wait a minute. You don't have the upgrade where you put the aircraft engine and the 12-foot propeller on it for those really big spaces?
Well, we'll go ahead and give you the one we introduced is the Portacool Hurricane, and this is a high-velocity unit. So we're giving you all the air, all the velocity and accessories in the unit itself. So,
are you guys capable of, say, custom manufacturing units?
We do. A lot of our listeners probably seen or familiar with our products on the NFL sidelines. You see them in different colors and different styles. So, yeah, we can certainly make them in different colors. We do different types of graphics in some situations. So we have a very flexible manufacturing process.
Well, I'm looking at it. I'm looking at your little brochure here. It looks to me like the great majority of your housings and everything are plastic.
Yes.
And that has the great advantage of not rusting out or corroding over time.
Absolutely. We actually do the rotational molding process ourselves. We do all our manufacturing in Center, Texas. We're in rural East Texas. We have about 300 employees that very proudly manufacture each and every one of these products. But the rotational molded process, it is a plastic component, and it actually has UV protectants, so you can use it indoors and or outdoors. You don't have to worry about rust or corrosion. It's very durable and long-lasting, and it's ready to withstand harsh environments that they're often put in.
So in other words, this thing is ready to go just about anywhere, anytime that you need it. if you can fill it full of water and plug it into even a generator, you'd have instant cooling.
Absolutely. And we do a lot of work too, Eddie, with our military. Our servicemen and women around the world. They're one of our biggest users of our products, and they like it for many of the reasons of which we discuss. It's portable, it's practical, it uses really low amounts of energy, and a lot of times they're working off generators, so they have to be very conscious about how much energy they're pulling. And PortaCool becomes a nice solution in that situation.
I could see if you were working on an aircraft out in, say, Afghanistan or any of those Middle Eastern countries where the temperatures routinely hit 100 plus, one of these things in your back pocket would be a good thing to have.
Absolutely. We do a lot of work with our military community. We're very proud of what they do to take care of this great country, and the least we can do is try and keep them cool when they're in those hot environments.
Absolutely. Well, it sounds like you've got a terrific product here. Where can I get them?
Well, come by and see us. We're in Hangar B. We're in booth 2100. We actually have another location out front in the Fly Market, right near the front entrance there. So come by and see us, or you can always visit us at portacool.com.
Do you have any special show deals going here at Oshkosh this week?
Eddie, we always have something special. So come by and see us. And for our listeners, now that Eddie's agreed to come work with us, you'll see him in the booth, and we look forward to having him.
Wait a minute. You're going to lose customers if you put me in there. Trust me on this.
No, come on, Eddie. We'll take you.
Oh, well, hey, if this career doesn't work out, I can always come over there and sell PortaCools.
You're welcome anytime.
Well, you've been listening to Ben Wolf of the PortaCool Company, and I'm Fast Eddie, and this is EAA Radio.